Welcome back. This is Lab 5, build your DB server and interact with your DB using an app. I'm Richard Golson, and let's go into our task 1, create a security group for the RDS DB instance. Now in this task, we're going to create this security group that's going to allow our web server, which is located here in public subnet 2, to access our RDS DB instance, which will be located in private subnet 1 and private subnet 2. The security group will be used when we launch this DB instance, and it is to ensure that the appropriate traffic, the appropriate type of traffic, is allowed through the security group to our RDS instance from the appropriate source, which is the web server, which is located in the security group. So we're going to experience security group chaining. Now let's take a look at the console over here where we can see I've already have the security groups loaded up here. And what I'm going to do is create a security group, which I've already begun right here. So let's take a look at this basic details that I've already listed. You can see the security group name matches what I've got here. The description matches here. And I ensure that I selected Lab VPC. Very important. Security groups can only be used in a single VPC. Now, take a look down here. We're going to be adding a rule. If we take a look, let's look at the rule first before we create the rule. And so in the add rule, you'll see that the type is going to be MySQL Aurora 3306. Now, this is the type of traffic we're going to allow through. MySQL and Aurora both use 3306 port number. And then the source is going to be a custom source. The source is the security group that we can see here. It's the web security group. So the only traffic that's going to be allowed through is the web security group. It's traffic originating from instances that are using the web security group. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how to configure that. Over here, you can see that I have the inbound rule. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And I'm adding a new inbound rule. Let's get the appropriate type of traffic. So we're looking for that MySQL Aurora. And so I'll scroll down here and you can see it's right there. And then over here, we'll start typing in SG and I can see a pop-up and it provides me with the two different security groups. I want this web security group. So I'll select that. And if requested, I can put in a description here. However, I'm going to leave this alone. Note that all outbound traffic will be allowed. So this ensures that the RDS instance could initiate outbound traffic, which could then flow through the NAT gateway and out through the internet gateway to pull updates, et cetera, from the web. We won't need that, but we'll leave that alone. We'll go ahead and hit the create security group. Wait till that completes, and then just confirm that our inbound rule is from the web security group. That's the source on port 3306 only. And if we take a look over here at our security groups and refresh this, we can now see that we have this additional security group called DB security group. Note, strangely enough, when we create that security group, it gets a name, but it's not a tag. So be aware that you won't see the name of your security group listed over here. These are tag names. We didn't include a tag on this. We weren't requested to. So there we go. There you have it. We've created our security group. When we come back, we'll take a look at creating the DB subnet group.